Easter is right around the corner, so it's time to start thinking about that Sunday holiday meal.
Our family foodie, Isabel Laessig, is here with a spicy twist on an Easter classic, deviled eggs. And I've never heard this about you. I feel like you can do absolutely anything in the kitchen, but before this, you said boiled eggs kind of intimidated you a little bit.
I struggled with making a hard-boiled egg.
It's the only thing.
I'm not kidding.
It's the only thing I know how to make.
Wait, but how do you peel it without getting all those little, like...
Oh, well, we'll tell you because we actually learned a cool little trick about that like a couple months ago.
It works for me sometimes.
So I was really nervous about this recipe, but I decided to go for it. And I tried a new method. So I'm going to tell you guys really quick what worked for me, finally.
Okay.
So... put it on boil, gently put the eggs in, 12 minutes, put ice over it, and guess what? For the first time, I got a perfect egg. This never happens.
How are you peeling it? Are you doing something special when you peel it?
Then I have to be patient. You know, I'm one of those, I want to go through everything, and you can't do that. So,
so I haven't heard about the ice.
The ice, and I think that's what did it.
So once you take it out of the boiling water, then
put the ice.
Put the ice just right on top.
For how long?
Just, until they're cold.
Okay, until they're cold.
Yeah, all right. So anyway, let's go on to our Mac Daddy of a deviled egg.
Ooh,
right? You could serve this for brunch, or you could do it afterwards when you have all those kids' eggs left over.
There you go.
So this is a jalapeno popper. So it has bacon and jalapeno in it. And it is amazing. All right, Kendall, are you going to help me?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. So we have our eggs. I scooped them out for you.
Did you just do that with a spoon?
Just with a spoon. Scooped it right out, and we crumbled them a little bit.
Got it.
We're going to add mayo.
All of it?
All of it. I already measured it out for you, so it's a 1/4 cup of mayo.
Okay.
Cream cheese.
How much cream? Did you memorize all this?
I did. It's 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Half a teaspoon of garlic.
All right.
Half a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of vinegar.
I love it when you bring your little bowls.
And then 2 tablespoons
garlic powder,
yes, of garlic powder, and then grated cheddar cheese.
Okay.
Okay, and then depending on how spicy you want it, you determine how much.
So can you do the canned or the fresh?
You can. You can. This is actually bottled. So if you want it really spicy, put a lot in. If you don't, then that's going to have some kick. And then bacon.
Can you do the bits or make the bacon?
You have to make your own, yes. And I bake mine, so.
I do too.
Yeah, I like it baked. So anyway, then you're going to mix that all up.
Okay. It smells good.
Yeah, doesn't it?
It does
oh my gosh, it has like an amazing flavor to it.
I can smell the spice already.
Right.
This is going to be really hot.
It's going to be really good. Okay, so another fun tip. I like to use a baggie, so Alex, can you demonstrate? You just cut.
I love
using
these.
You cut it at the very tip.
Yeah, that's
and then
easy.
you just throw it out when you're done.
All right, so I'm just putting in all of these?
Yep, and then you just pipe away. How easy is that, right?
Very easy.
Nice.
Oh, whoops. Of course I'm
you got this, Alex. I have
maybe not quite as beautiful as Isabel's, but it still tastes the same.
Right,
That's what matters.
Exactly the same.
And then the thing is, you could have fun with toppings. So I added a little bit more bacon. I added some green onions, some cheese, a little bit of paprika.
What's this? These look like leaves.
Just tiny little sage leaves.
Oh, sage.
Because look how pretty, right?
Okay.
It just, and you don't have to eat that. You could pick at it, or, it's delicious. You could do it.
This is like one of those like toothpaste.
Yeah. So I'm dying for you guys to try it and tell me if this tastes like a regular deviled egg or if it's a little bit kicked up.
I'm afraid to try this because it's been making me cough all week long. So just be prepared. But I got to try this.
What do you think?
Ooh.
Oh, I love it.
Isn't that good?
Oh,
right? So different. Yeah.
So I love that bacon. You can tell the difference between the.
Oh yeah, you have to do the real thing.
Yeah, it's not too spicy. This is delicious. We love it when you're here.
Thanks for having me.
You can get this recipe and more meal ideas by visiting thesundaysuppermovement.com.